AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against dollars. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. So you can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then, and check out the brokers on the platform right here. Sign up with these brokers, start a separate account if and when you are going to trade with my signals, okay? Separate account for my signals. I'll explain that in Telegram later on. So go and join everything, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. So week has ended in red. So more likely we will go down in the coming week as well, because at the same time we're expecting the dollar to shift into the uptrend in the coming week. Okay. So the week was red. So it's a clear confirmation that we might carry on going down. So this is the start of a new downtrend as well, you can see. And for sure we will touch down the EMA, which is at 64360, you can see. So surely we will touch the EMA. After that we have to wait and watch that if we will take a bounce back and will go up, or will carry on going down in the daily time frame. Okay. So for now we have to look for lows or sell entries. So let's go back to 4 hour. For that, let's see what do we have in our 4 hour timing. So 4 hour new low is created. This is a quite simple trade. Okay, you will get a pullback and then a red confirmation candle, then go short. Okay. So yes, wait for the market to open on Monday and then wait for the pullback. Use your fib levels, and I think maybe in the pullback it might touch down the EMA, then the rejection, and then the red candle, and then you go down. Okay, so that's your entry in AUDUSD. You can use the same analysis for NZDUSD as well. If you trade NZDUSD, you can do that based on this analysis. So this is what I have for you. I'm expecting dollar to shift into the uptrend now, which means the correlated pairs will go down. So AUD, Euro, GBP is supposed to go down theoretically. An entry in 4 hour for AUDUSD and NZDUSD is after the pullback, red candle, then go down. So this is what I have. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and join Telegram. Check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.